Hello everyone. Recently, India has made its first ever LPG supply import deal with USA. Now both the nations have come into a LPG supply contract and this is the first ever structured formal deal. This would be accounting for India's 10% of annual LPG imports. Now, the pricing also has changed. That is, the purchase price benchmark has shifted from the Saudi Aramco contract price to US Mont Belvieu pricing strategy. India is the second highest consumer of the LPG globally. Do let me know in the comment section which country is the first largest consumer of LPG. And in India, 90% of the LPG is used for domestic cooking and 10% for non-domestic, that is for commercial, industrial and also automotive sectors. However, India is highly dependent on imports of LPG. India imports 60% of its LPG from UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar and Kuwait. India runs a scheme known as the PM Ujjwala Yojana. In this, poor women are given the deposit-free LPG connections and also a targeted subsidies to refill it 9 times per year. Scientifically, LPG consists of the propane, butane along with propanol and butanol. It is an odorless gas heavier than air. Now, globally, the highest producers of LPG are USA, followed by Saudi Arabia and China. Thank you.